Create a professional logo with Wix and make your business stand out. I'm Hadar from Wix. Let me show you how. Just go to Wix Logo Maker. Let's say it's for an online plant store. To start, type the business name and the tagline. And define what kind of business it is. We need something that's dynamic, timeless, and fresh. Next, you'll help Wix Logo Maker understand your style. And choose where you'll use your logo. Wow, look at all these amazing options. Let's go with this one. This is where you can customize your logo, like changing the icon and the font. Perfect. You can also print your logo on t-shirts, business cards, even mugs. It's gonna look perfect on your Wix site. Go to Wix.com Logo Maker and create your professional logo today.